Ba-bam!
Yeah. Oh my god. It's the attack of the deer.
We're here at the Totoro shop. That's legit gold. Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. We are still here in Osaka, Japan for our Osaka vlog series, and today is going to be a special day because we're going all the way, well, it's not that far, it's actually just 15 to 30 minutes away. We're going to Kyoto, and Kyoto has one of the most beautiful like temples, gardens, and a lot of scenic spots that I'm super excited to bring, of course, my wife to and our friends who are with us in today's trip. Now, to make this a little bit more sneakery so that it's not just a travel vlog, we'll kick things off with an unboxing. And then throughout the day, I'll be chiming in on my review of this brand new sneaker. This is the Yeezy 500 Stone. I actually picked this up over at Adidas at Shinsaibashi. I did a video on Shinsaibashi, a sneaker shopping guide. If you guys haven't watched that yet, I made an entire playlist of our Osaka vlogs. Please do make sure to watch all of them. And with that said, let's get things going with an unboxing, and then I'll just bring you guys along with me to all around Kyoto. Let's go. Guys, don't forget that we are raffling away a Yeezy 500 Stone. All you have to do is to subscribe to the channel, watch all of the Osaka vlogs. I actually have a special playlist for it. You can find the link in the description box, and like all of the videos, share it on Facebook, and then leave a comment about anything about the video that you watched and include your IG handle. We'll be drawing the winner December 15th. Now, as you guys can see, it comes in your typical Yeezy box. It's in color brown. You have 500 printed at the top. You have the details of the sneaker over here. I did go through to size 12. The colorway says Stone, Stone Zone, Gallet, Gallet, Gallet. So if you pop the box open, you have the typical Yeezy tissue paper, and then you have the shoe. Ba-bam! Now, what's so special about the Yeezy 500 Stone, especially if you compare it with previous Yeezy 500s? They actually replaced a lot of the material and they put in Lycra. Lycra is like some sort of spandex, which is elastic and at the same time durable and breathable. So they replaced a lot of the mesh upper that you saw with the previous 500s. Now, apart from the Lycra, you also have, of course, the suede here along the edges of the shoe and along the laces. And if you go down to the midsole, you have that Adiprene midsole, which delivers good cushioning despite it not having any boost. If you go to the outsole, you have that gum-colored material, or that gum sole, which I think rounds it off pretty well. Now, as far as first impressions go, a lot of people who are more on the hype side will kind of find this, I don't know, sneaker boring and monotonous. But that same reason why a lot of people don't like it is the reason why I like it. Because sneakers like this are super easy to wear. You know, colorways like this are not too hard to figure out how to be able to style. I don't know, I just kind of prefer simple colors these days. So what we'll do now is, apart from this unboxing, we'll take it along with us to Kyoto, and yeah, I'll just put it on feed for you guys. Yeah. Boom. Hey everyone, so we're here at the Nara Deer Park. No deer yet, but there's supposed to be deer somewhere, and we're supposed to feed the deer with deer crackers. But right now, I have no idea where we are, but there's a pond over there with some ducks. Looks really nice. And yeah, you're just surrounded by nature and a lot of nice trees and structures and all those cool stuff. Guys, that is one giant goldfish. Whoa, that is scary.
Oh, it's looking at us.
Look at those beady eyes. Dun 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 dun. That is one big fish. It's the behind the scenes of how Christian, aka Sneaker Talk, tries to get his Instagram shots. So much effort just for the gram. See?
One more?
So it's the hoodie, it's the pose, it's the background, and it's the photographer. When in Nara and Kyoto, make sure to watch out for the deer crossing the street. Yeah. So the temple behind me is a World UNESCO Heritage Site. It's the biggest
wooden structure in the world. It's called the Todaiji Temple. So we'll check it out as well as feed some deer in the next few segments of today's vlog. Let's go.
Okay. So we'll feed one deer. Your name is now Bambi. Hi, Bambi. Whoa, Bambi's aggressive. You are now called Rudolph. Rudolph, bow down. Bow down. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, good boy, Rudolph.
Yeah.
Oh my God. It's the attack of the deer. Oh. No more, no more. No more.
Take my video, Weave.
See this spot over here with that wet blotch? That's actually the saliva, the proof of that the deer bit me.
In feeding deer, number one, they bite. So they don't just eat the biscuits that or the crackers.
Yeah.
They eat you, right?
They bite, like they bit my leg.
Yeah, one of the deer actually bit my thighs and it hurt. So just be careful, especially if you're weaving around like thick wads of crackers. So
Like this one.
No more.
No more.
No more.
No more. Sorry, Bambi.
Don't bite us, Bambi.
okay, so again, just a quick word of caution. If you're walking around with holding a lot of crackers, they'll actually go to you and try to bite you. Okay, so boom.
So this massive structure over here is actually just the gate. So this massive wooden thing that you're seeing is just the gate of the temple. The actual temple is over there, but we won't go there anymore to save time. So again, that's what it looks like here. Inside the columns of the gate, there's this massive statue of what? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Some sort of like warrior guardian. So he's holding some sort of giant blade. So to ward off like the spirit. So that's one column. And you also have on the other side over there. So if we zoom in, you guys get a better idea of what it looks like. Damn, that's not a painting, that's not a drawing, that's an actual statue inside the columns of the wooden gate here at the temple.
So we just finished doing the deer feeding thing at Nara, and when you think of the words feeding deer, you kind of feel like it's going to be some sort of like peaceful, cute, cuddly thing that will eat crackers off your hand gently. That couldn't be farther from the reality, because when you do start feeding them, they mob you, they attack you like vicious. No, just kidding. But yeah, they are really wild beasts. The sign said so. So there is a tendency really for them to be a little bit aggressive. So yeah, just a word of warning for anybody who wants to do that here. It's not as serene, peaceful, and cute as it is, but it's still, you know, a nice experience. We're here in, what's the name of the street? Giyo Street in Kyoto. So apparently it's one of the more preserved or restored areas. So it looks really traditionally Japanese. And in fact, a lot of the people here go around walking in costumes, so in traditional kimonos. I think they rent it. It's a really nice place. So lots of colors. The trees are beautiful. It's just an amazing vibe and spirit in this place. And yeah, can't get enough of it. So we took a lot of pictures. So if you want to see, check out our Instagram. Michelle, ano ba? Michelle Ople Orosa?
Michelle Orosa.
Michelle Orosa Ople at Instagram. Still here in Kyoto, so we're now going to the Golden Temple. So that's like there. We will go there. This is the Golden Temple, which used to be the palace of the shogunate or something. And the islands that you see there at the lake are supposed to represent like Japan. So it means that the shogun who used to live there actually owns, well, or rules over Japan. And a cool thing to note is that after he passed away, part of his will was to say that it should turn into a temple open to the public, which is what we have right now. Oh, and one more thing, it's called not called the Golden Temple for nothing. Apparently that gold shimmer that you guys see there, that's legit gold. That's, yeah, real gold. So that's how the old shogunates used to roll. So here we have a closer angle and a closer look at the Golden Temple. So we're on the other side, just so you guys can see a better look. And there seems to be some sort of symbol at the very top. Now, I don't know what that stands for. Probably the symbol of the shogunate. Please correct me if I'm wrong, to those who know better. So, yeah, take a look at that, guys. I don't think we can go inside. So this is the closest we can get to the Golden Temple here in Kyoto, which again used to be the palace of the shogunate several, I don't know, hundreds of years ago. One more look because it just looks really nice. So this is the look from the view from the back. Boom. Colin Ison. So guys, before we continue with the trip all around Kyoto, let me just chime in with my review of the Yeezy 500 stones. As I mentioned earlier, I've been wearing it the entire day and we've clocked in more than 10,000 steps already, so I can give you guys a fairly unbiased review of the shoe. So here are the initial thoughts. Well, it is still more comfortable than the Yeezy 700. I've always maintained that the 500s were better than the 700s in terms of cushioning and stability, and apart from that, I kind of feel that in terms of sizing, you can actually go true to size with the stone compared to other iterations of the 500, because the Lycra material is actually more flexible compared to the mesh that they used with the previous models of the 500, such as the Soft Vision, Bone White, Salt, and all of the other previous colors of the said shoe. So if you are looking for a chunky sneaker, if you are looking for a shoe that kind of stands out because it looks like an alien bug on your feet, then the Yeezy 500 Stone is the shoe that you're probably going to want to consider. Now, heading into next year, we're hoping to see more versions of the Yeezys across the different lines, from the 350s to the 500s to the 700s. So if you don't like this particular pair, chances are you will be able to find one when Kanye releases new models next year. And with that said, let's move on to the rest of our Kyoto adventure. Boom. So we're here at Fushi Inari, still here in Kyoto, Osaka. So, Kyoto, Japan. So this is the place where a lot of the influencers take photos of themselves with like the 1,000 red gates. Now, at this point, it's already evening, so we can't do a lot of videos. So what I'll just do is I'll show you a couple of pictures that we took while going up. And yeah, if ever you guys are here, make sure that you drop by. One of the most beautiful and best places to visit when you are in Kyoto. Boom. We're now looking for what could be the best Starbucks in the world. We're here at the Totoro shop, which is along the stretch, the street leading to the big Starbucks. So we'll be buying two. This cute Totoro here and this cat, Gigi. So, boom. So believe it or not, this is actually a Starbucks.
In the corner. Miserable.
So we're at the refugee camp right now here in Osaka.
Refugee camp. Hey guys, so we're back here at the Airbnb after a very incredibly very dancing Christian long kind of day. So to wrap things up, we'll be doing a Filipino style mukbang. We actually bought a bunch of stuff from Family Mart, which set us back over, I think, 8,000 yen combined. So that's a lot of money. That's like 4,000 pesos worth of stuff.
But this is a lot of food.
Yeah, but it's a lot of food, as you guys can see over there.
Super worth it.
You can watch the mukbang episode. It will go up on the channel of Ison, which is Hungry Geek. So I'll put a link down below to the channel, and it should be the episode that should go up in a few days. Make sure that you guys watch that one. With that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our video for today. Peace, God bless. What's up?
Boom.
Boom.